Yan, we're rolling. And 5, 4, 3, 2.
Good evening!
Good evening!
Or good day! Or
We're
what
back.
time you're
Hi,
listening.
San.
Woo, we're back. We're back.
We're back.
We're
Episode-
back.
Episode 2, guys. Achievement!
Oo nga eh. May
Achievement.
by request, ano daw?
Kailan-
Sequel daw.
Sequel
Bitin
daw,
kami.
sequel daw.
Totoo yun.
Yeah, itong nangyayari pag wala masyadong football.
Teka, ano nga ba to?
But,
Ano nga ba to?
well, we decided to call it
Football Talk!
Ito!
sige na, for lack of better, yun na muna for
Ito
now.
muna.
FT, full time. Football to.
Yeah, tama.
May Twitter account kami at Football to PH. Remember that? Follow nyo. Bahala na kung gusto nyo banatan or puri
Yes.
para may
please-
improvement din kami.
Please follow.
So guys,
Today is January 22.
Yes.
or well, kung narinig kayo ngayon, yes, it's 22.
22?
Pero we don't mind kung mapakinggan nyo tomorrow, the other day, the next day, or
10 years from now.
Years from now. So guys, what are we gonna talk about today,
Um,
tonight?
marami-rami. Ewan ko.
Medyo
Sana
marami. There are like 4 items
topics.
here. Yeah.
But let's start with the first. Mabilis lang kami dito. Kasi hindi man siya masakit pa rin ata for some Filipino football fans, but AFC Cup, Asian Cup
Asian
Cup
Cup.
in Australia.
in Australia
Is happening. It's the
Happening.
quarterfinals.
It's now knockout stage.
yes.
And
Knockout?
then knockout.
Ah, yeah, knockout,
stage.
yeah.
And then Korea and Australia already qualified for the semis.
Yes.
What are the next games ba? After?
Iran, Iraq. Nako, malutong
Iran,
yan.
Iraq. So Korea will be waiting for the Iran-Iraq
Winner.
Winner.
result.
And
And Australia will be waiting for the Japan and UAE results.
if Japan advanced to the semis, rematch ng 2011 final. Kung mag-Korea-Japan final, kagulo tayo dyan.
Predictions. JD.
I would go for, syempre, Iran and Japan advancing.
Mhm.
Pero for the finals, I'll go with Korea, Australia.
Wow.
Wow! Korea, Australia.
Rematch yan.
Korea.
Guys, in case you don't know, Korea defeated Australia in the last game of their group stage. 1-0 ata. That's why they advanced top of group
Wait
A.
lang
Okay.
I have to root for Australia kasi mawawalan ako ng trabaho.
See, there's some motive
May
there.
may motive. Jobs.
Japan,
Or-
Iran.
But Japan, Iran.
For the finals.
For the final.
Top 2.
Top 2.
I think.
Pwede
yeah.
nga, pwede.
Pwede.
Sa-
Iko?
akin, ano
What do
eh.
you think?
Gusto ko nang magulo lagi pag football game eh. So, Korea, Japan.
Korea, Japan.
Wait lang.
Go.
They were the co-hosts of the 2002
2002
World Cup.
For the finals yan
Yeah, World Cup Finals. Tapos, every game na, parang Singapore-Malaysia din yung rivalry niya na parang Causeway Derby, mainit.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you have, may pusta ba to? Or,
Oo, dami ka na naman, Iko
wag na muna. Gagantihan mo ako.
Off the record na lang yung pustahan natin.
May tatlo ka pang shots, Iko.
Off the record
From
na yung
the World
pustahan,
Cup.
but
Anyways.
mangyayari in the next episode, yes, next episode.
Yes.
But
Malaman
guys,
nyo na lang.
easy lang sa sakit ngayon dahil okay na sa Asian Cup. We'll move to the next topic.
Next
which
topic.
is
Transfers.
Let's start
Transfers.
overseas muna.
Overseas Ascals.
Sino ba? Si Neil. Congratulations to
Congrats,
Neil.
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 His move to Charlton until the end of the season. He's been playing regularly. I think I've watched a couple.
He's been exercising regularly,
Good for him.
promoting his Instagram account.
Yes.
Yes. Which is good for him.
Yeah.
Para he gets game time.
Yes.
And,
And
if he be considered for the national team.
it's nice kasi it started out as a loan and now it's on a permanent basis until the end of the season for him.
So at least
It's
he's
a
gonna
good
get a good playing time.
Playing
I mean,
time. Longer. Yes.
second,
Second ba siya?
Third tier, yeah.
Third year of the English football.
Yeah.
so it's
He
already
played
a
in
good,
their FA Cup tie.
Correct.
Ayan.
Talo nga lang, but at least
He gets to play.
he gets to
pa
play
rin. Yes.
90 minutes.
and I think he made amends na with Dooley.
Sana.
According to
According to
reports,
the
yes.
reports, he already
He
made
actually
some
called-
amends.
I
So
think he called that.
who knows?
I hope. We hope.
Sino pa? Ang dami lumilipat eh.
Let's go to another person. There.
Another
Ito from
per-
Malapit. Si JDJ.
JDJ,
Yeah.
You know, golden ball winner of the UFL, the league. He led Global to 2 titles,
Two
the
titles.
league and the charity cup,
And the captain also.
and was also the
Global.
captain
Yeah.
of Global. Now, he went back to Europe. He's now playing in Belgium for what club?
KSV?
KSV Bornem. It's
Yes.
a Belgian club.
Yes.
And it's
It's
good
good
for him na
good for
game time pa rin na it's still football.
Yeah.
He's still gonna get fit.
Oh,
Yes, and I think he's coming back.
everybody wants him to come back
He's
because
too young to retire, guys. Come on.
Come on, we're the same age, retire.
naman.
Yeah, I think he's coming back.
Sino ba?
Play for the Ascals.
Lumapit tayo dito. Lumapit tayo ng Southeast Asia.
One of the sinasabi nilang we should have been our players for that tournament happened in Thailand
and Maldives.
and Maldives. Yeah.
Javier Patiño to China.
Yes,
I did not see that.
I think everybody didn't see that
Henan
coming.
Jiang.
Yeah. From Buriram
China.
United, he led them to a treble in his first season.
Yes, and he is, I think, one of the top 3 goal scorers
Yes,
at that time.
in the
TPL.
Yeah.
And also last season lang,
Siya ata yung second din.
second then, and they also won the league.
Yes, he won the league.
It was a good.
see that?
Yeah,
Baka it's
well, Chinese Super League is also competitive.
And
At sinong may kakilala tayong dun player na pumunta dito di ba? Coach na ng Shanghai Shenhua Si paring Fabio. O baka makalaban na.
ay nako.
Pwede rin.
Fabio.
Sige.
Fabio Cannavaro.
Oh, may isa pa na
Isa
nasa
pa.
And-
Thai League.
Is pa rin tayo Steiny, di ba?
Oh,
Yep.
isa pa.
Mr. Angel Girado.
Also
Yeah.
known as the rumored Sergio Ramos daw.
Sergio Ramos.
Because of
When he was
Before,
when they had long hairs.
Ayun,
he's
si
playing
Udon
in
Tani.
Tani,
Sa
third year ng
Third
Thailand.
year. Thailand. Sa regional league yun.
And
Pero teka,
Teka.
may nabasa akong daw
What?
bago daw ang player.
Na?
Yung Filipino player playing for a certain club also in Thailand.
Sino
sino
yan?
Malita ko magkabasa ko. What? Pinoy siya? Bakit di ko alam?
I wonder.
Hindi, ito pa he's the most controversial player in the UFL history.
True.
For-
Pinag-agawan ng dalawang club.
So, who are we talking about, guys?
Si Rufo Sanchez.
Medyo nagulat ba kayo nun? Lumabas yung storyang yun.
Pinoy daw siya pero last time we checked,
Hindi.
hindi po.
At mukhang hindi niya plano.
Mukha.
Mukha. Well, anyway.
But anyway, hi Rufo.
Hello, Rufo.
Tapos
Talking
na,
about
okay.
you.
Munta na tayo dito. Kasi yesterday, may mga shocking news
Oo nga balita
Oh
ko
my
may
God.
mga sighting daw, may mga
sighting.
oo.
One of them is Joshua Beloya.
Oh! Oh!
Joshua Deloya. Wait
Actually,
lang.
I saw him during one of the training sessions sa Emperador. Then, mabilis lang. Hindi na kami nakapag-usap. Then, I heard that he is now playing for Kaya. I think he played sa Smart Cup. And he's part of the Smart Cup squad. The
We'll talk
tournament.
about that
3
later.
years ago, he is also part of Kaya squad,
Yeah.
2012.
So he's playing for?
Kaya.
Wow. Well, that's not really a surprise because he played.
Yeah,
For
since he played
them.
for them
And
previously.
he played in
previously.
UFL din naman, di ba?
Yes.
I
Played
think
for
right
Global.
after
Yeah.
SEA Games.
And then he was
Kaya
for
siya.
Global. Oh yeah, after SEA Games,
Yeah,
he went
To
to
Kaya.
Kaya. Then he went for Global for the AFC
President's Cup.
President's Cup.
And then he went back to
To Ceres. Then he was off the radar. Then now he's
The
Sige.
radar.
Yeah, off the radar. Pero ito yung
he's coming back, pero
Ito yung matinding off the
Hindi daw
radar
nawala
talaga.
eh.
Ito off the radar.
We did not
I think
see
everybody
this coming.
thought off the radar siya eh. Ang tagal niya nagpakita. 2012, Suzuki Cup pa ata siya huling
Yeah.
naramdaman.
Yes, the first
Ray
two
Johnson
games.
is
Ray
back.
Johnson is back!
Oh my God.
To what club?
The Viking is
Yeah, the Viking is back
The Viking
to
is back.
to the league champions, Global FC.
Wow, huge signing.
It's a good signing.
Nakakagulat yun. Nakakagulat yun. How old is Ray Johnson?
26 daw. 26 years old.
He stopped counting at 26.
Oo, counting at
10 years ago.
O hindi naman.
Di ba? Oh, 36 na
Double check
siya.
na naman.
Tama ba?
Basta, he claims 26 years old. And
Yeah.
I think,
Age is just a number, sabi nga.
can also still be influential.
Oh.
Sipin na lang natin, parang baka kasi Alex Duric of the Philippines ang dating niya.
12.
Yeah, he kept on playing until he was, what, 40?
Yeah.
But he doesn't look like 40 nung he doesn't look like 40 nung nag-commentate siya sa games.
Hindi ko siya namukhaan noon.
Pero,
Nagulat ako.
sige, we have already Ray Johnson, pero ito ata pinakamalutong sa lahat eh. Kung yung Ray Johnson, yun lang yung
Medyo
pasimula.
nagulat lang, oo.
Pasimula lang yun. I think
This was the bomb of this
the
window.
bomb, Yesterday, during the PFF Smart Press Con, Coach Aligo confirmed that Martin Stoibel has joined Ceres
Oh
Lasal
my
Football
goodness.
Club.
From the MLS to the UFL.
Yes, I think he's one of the greatest
Surprises.
additions. Also,
Surprise
one of the
talaga.
biggest surprises.
Parang
Among
parang feeling ko ang Ceres nag FIFA 11 na.
Hindi.
Fantasy manager
Hindi.
talagang.
Florentino
Ano daw?
Perez is fantasy manager at Tampig eh. Taking points from paring Florentino eh.
Kaya nga
Oh
eh.
my goodness.
I think,
Oh my
but
goodness.
come on,
Martin
that
Stoibel.
is the best signing for me for Ceres.
For Ceres.
Now you have
He's gonna add quality.
and
Kasi
Paul Mulder is
God.
already fit. Angelo Marisigan
Wait, so Paul Mulders is still playing for Ceres?
yeah, he's
Yes.
listed with the
With
squad.
Ceres. Okay.
That's a big signing siya. Angelo Marisigan is also back in the lineup.
Wow.
And Jeffrey Christians is also 100%.
he's already fit.
So fit
Yeah.
na ba si Jeffrey?
Yeah.
I think
The last time he played was...
Sino bang injured sa kanila?
Maldives?
Maldives. Wala.
No. Wala pala Maldives. Before the Maldives.
And sige, may dami rin naggalawan actually in the league eh. Isa rin notable with Ceres is Balcama from Globe. Well, he played for Global,
Global.
was part of the champion win.
Yung back four ng Global
Yeah,
is one
yes,
of the
yes.
regulars at the back.
Then now he's moved to Ceres Lasal.
Oof.
So that's gonna be a reunion
Very,
between
yeah.
him and Juan Gerardo who
Juan.
formed the
the back
four
line.
as well.
Shoot.
Oh my God, oo nga no.
Diba?
Now I think about, Now, yeah.
Yes.
So, sino pa ba ang mga notable transfers?
Sam Bonney, I heard,
From
Loyola.
Ooh.
is with Global.
Wow, okay. So, it's Bonnie. Sino ba bang na-drop ng Loyola?
Yeah, sino ba na-drop? Nadami-dami din.
Sampana. Woo!
Baba Sampana.
Baba Sampana. O,
Yeah.
sino? Ano nila? Keeper nila.
Keeper.
Thomas Trigo.
Ay,
So,
oo nga pala.
Oo nga pala.
The first, the first announcement of a transfer, di ba?
Correct.
During
the Suzuki Cup.
Oh my God, I remember that tweet. Diyos mio.
It's not a tweet ata. It
Ba?
was announced on live
announced on
television.
live TV.
Seryoso ba yun?
Yeah, si Thomas Trigo.
Oh my God.
It was announced on live
So,
television.
No,
Isa pa
I
eh.
saw it on sa tweet.
Oh, because we weren't
Because we
there.
weren't there.
Wow, we were
So we're
there.
like, what? Thomas Trigo in...
Yes.
During the game.
Ito pa yung isa yung surprise na to si Ref Quaresma who was
Ooh.
a regular
Oh, yeah.
fixture sa Loyola who went to Jeepney. Now I heard that he moved to Stallion FC. Let's see what happens there. We
Sino
show
pa
the
ba
best.
lumipat sa Stallion? Sino pa ba
Sino
lumipat sa
lumipat?
Stallion?
Wala puro
So far...
So, we're just saying kasi
As of press time,
as
what
of press
we
time,
say,
we already have the
drop
drop
players,
list.
and we can
So-
only confirm add players
Maybe-
based from what we've heard.
From what we've heard. And from what we've heard, sino pa ba ang mag-form ng global team? Sino pa ba?
Global team, well,
Well, who are out in global?
there are, two Mexicans, three Mexicans. Si Herman Rodriguez, one of the back four of Global during the championship winning season.
Uh-huh.
Milad Begandong, the
Yeah,
tied
Begandong.
for second with Israel Habib in the top goal scorers is also out.
What?
Yes. Edgar,
Sino pumalit? Kay
Di ba, Milad,
Di pa.
Izo, and Mark Hartman lang
Correct.
naman
yeah,
ang
it was probably it will be Izo
provided
and Mark
Arsenal
Hartman.
for
Correct.
di ba? For
So,
their
sino yung kapalit
strike.
ni ano?
Wala
pa?
ata.
So, release pa lang.
It's
Find
set to
out
be
and
released.
then-
Edgar Briones, the man who almost saved Global's blushes in the League Cup final,
They dropped him also.
also out. Jason De Jong, of course.
Yeah.
Patrick Yao.
Patrick Yao is also out. It was just, I
Dylan
think,
Yao.
it's unexpected.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we'll let you guys know kung anong mga susunod na transfers pa. Right now, incomplete lahat Inconclusive. Baka may mga changes.
Yeah.
May mga...
But the last,
Yeah.
last,
Like,
Tapos
for
na yung
example,
dropping.
tapos na yung dropping, pero
Yung
sa
mga
roster,
adding
Yeah, sa adding.
Yun na
Yung
lang
adding.
yun na lang yung suspense.
last day to ad
Yes, was yesterday, but
right? So,
No list has been
wala pa
officially
naman.
made.
So, pero yung drop na labas na nila eh.
And did Global made a last minute pitch kasi injured si Daisuke Sato.
I think the signing of Ray Johnson was already enough to fill Sato's place.
Sato's place.
I think that would be enough na. Okay, so dahil alam niyo naman may transfer rumors na tayo, then so Ceres.
By the way, we're looking at a list.
Yeah, we're looking at the list that's been published. As per
Ceres, tatlong players have left. Kevin Capole is out. Kim Jin-ho, one of the influential players that led to their League Cup win.
He's out.
I heard that he might play in the States.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
is he on trial or something?
Probably.
Carlos
Demurga is out due to injury. I think he's currently.
Yeah, nung huling diba?
Last
he was on
game
crutches.
We wish him all the best. Fast recovery.
Magaling pa naman niya sa injury.
Sakit.
That hurts.
I think since we're talk about Ceres and Global primarily, I think let's talk about the competition they are playing right now. The AFF Smart Club Championships. This is
What is it? What is the Smart Cup?
Well, historically speaking, this has been the
fourth.
The official tournament of the Philippine Football Federation. Ito yung FA Cup natin dapat.
Wow. So, official FA Cup. How do you qualify to get in the Smart Cup?
Nagkaroon ng mga regional qualifiers yan across the country. Various teams from representing different football associations. Kumbaga, may Iloilo FA, may Leyte FA, may NCR FA for NCR.
So it's more regional.
Yeah, it was qualify.
Yeah.
NOFA. Ceres Lasal is representing as Negros Occidental Occidental Football Association. Stallion FC of UFL is representing Iloilo Football Association. Laos FC is representing Leyte FA.
Global is representing
NCR. Global, Kaya and Loyola Meralco
are all representing NCR FA.
And we have two unfamiliar teams. Well, Erco Brothers of Cebu,
yes.
And Malang FC of Cotabato.
So we forgot to discuss yung mga lumipat sa Erco or on loan.
Well, nagkakaroon ng confusion kasi may mga balita na i-reject daw yung loan. Kaya we don't know. We might know when.
Kailan malaman ng Erco?
Tomorrow may game.
So tomorrow we'll know who will show up.
What we're talking about is an article that was published
by Mike
Limpag stating that certain ASCALs will be on loan
from Air Force and Archers.
Can we name them?
There's Ayaneta, Chiefy Caligdong,
Paolo Pascual,
and
isa pa eh.
Mark Ferrer ata is also considered, who was also part of the ASCAL.
Just to name a few.
Yes.
Medyo madami-dami din yung
mga familiar names.
Yes. But okay, going back to the Smart Cup.
It has been, the regional FA, so Malang and Erco. And right now, underway na yung group stages. So basically the finals. It's 3 games each per team. Top 2 advance to the crossover semifinals, then finals.
So for the results today,
first game it was Loyola Meralco defeated Laos FC of Leyte FA 4-0. Phil Young Husband scored 2 goals along with Matthew R. Hartman and Jamal Fenelon scoring a goal each. And for the Ceres Lasal versus Kaya, I think everybody
was 3-2.
Ended 3-2 where Ceres was already leading 3 goals to 3-0. And Kaya launched a comeback. Tomorrow yung first game naman ng kabilang group, which is the Stallion Erco for the first game at 4 p.m. and Global versus Malang at 7 p.m. And venue for the games will be at Rizal Memorial Football Stadium. And ito na lang matino, free admission.
Yun!
Yun ang masaya, free admission.
So kung wala kayong
guys,
gagawin, go!
Watch.
Rizal Memorial.
Football is back.
Friday
naman
Friday night football.
Friday night football or sige, tuloy
Friday night football.
Friday Night
Oh,
Lights.
ang sarap kaya. Ang sarap.
Friday Night Lights.
Yeah. So, okay.
Anyway. So, who are the past champions ng Smart Cup?
Well, I am basing just this from the 2011 edition of the Smart Cup. The
Yes.
first champion was Global FC,
Global.
but they were using a different name that time.
Which
Technica.
was?
Technica FC. I think for sponsorship Dixons.
Technica.
And they
Yeah,
defeated
Technica.
they defeated
San
Smart
Beda.
San Beda,
Wow.
was representing Rizal.
That
And
was
that
a
was the
chaotic
first
game.
that was the first club in the Philippines of Phil and James Young husband.
Correct.
San Beda.
People forget
That was really
People
chaotic.
forget.
I was
That
there.
everybody, we were
Wow.
there.
People forget
I was
that.
there.
Naglalaro
It
pa
was
sa
really
San Beda.
chaotic game.
Yes.
Diyos mio.
Why would you say it? Ano ba
It
nangyari?
was really, the first
Umuli
leg
ng cards, di ba?
Wow.
Hindi, tsaka
Tinulak ang ref.
Technica
Diba?
won that match. The first leg 3-0.
Wow.
First leg 3-0.
Wait, okay.
Because Phil and Jace was suspended during the first leg. But the second
Second
leg, they
combination
were,
of cards, di ba?
Full
Ah.
cards.
but in the second leg they were already clear to play. They launched a comeback. They fell short. They just won 2-0.
Okay.
Had they won 3-0, extra time sana. But
Wow.
so technical, well, Global were the first champions.
So 2011 that was 2011.
Yeah, pero I
Technica.
can't forget that game kasi yun talaga magulo yung, I think, yun yung inisyo ng card, tinulak yung ref.
Nako.
Wow.
Nagulo
Sino
yun.
yan?
I
Yeah.
forgot who's the guy, but all I
Been
know,
history na rin.
talagang tinulak yung ref. Parang, wow, ang laking
Lahat
batak.
nagulat doon. But
So
You
then-
may not agree with the ref's decision,
Yeah.
but you don't do that to the
Yes.
referee.
Ba't hindi siya binigyan ng red? Ni red ba siya?
wala eh. Back out eh.
Serious?
Natakot eh.
Oo.
Parang ganun yung nangyari kay Ref.
Parang
Bigyan na red.
parang palabas ata ng card, tapos nung tinulak na, ay, kawawa. Oo.
Well,
Ano
moving
ba?
on.
Ganong agulo yun.
That was
yeah.
2011.
2012, well, it was held in January 2013.
2013. Parang
And-
Miss Universe lang yan.
Hindi,
Ah.
because we have the Suzuki Cup that time.
Ayan.
Agree.
And this was the first title of from the Bacolod side, Ceres.
Ceres, yes.
Ceres FC.
Yes.
They defeated
Oo nga.
Global in the
Oo,
quarterfinals.
Correct.
1-0.
Oo nga, that
And
group,
they
that
went
group.
on to win it by defeating Kaya in the semis. And hindi ako makakapaniwala, sabihin ko, Pasargad FC.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Sargad.
Pasargad FC.
Oh my goodness.
They were, that was Ceres' first major title.
Major title.
And
And then the next year,
the 2013, the actual 2013 was held
January.
December 2013.
2013.
It was held in Bacolod. It was hosted by
Ayan.
Negros Occidental FA. Again, it was Ceres
Ceres.
Lasal who won at the expense of Global FC. And this was on aggregate. I think it was 3-1 or 4-1 in aggregate. And there Global had its big guns that time with Rufo Sanchez, Mark Hartman.
oo nga no. Oo,
Everybody was
he was
playing,
still
but
there. Why was
Ceres,
still there?
Ceres proved to be a
Too
strong
much.
opposition.
Too much.
And home crowd as well.
And there was the home
Home
crowd support.
Siyempre,
And
the
na-
Bacolod
but
crowd
now,
is always huge.
I've talked to
Yeah.
Coach Lee recently, and he wants to
Coach Lee of Global?
Coach Lee Manson of Global. He wants to turn the tide, but he's happy na with what's happening with the brewing with the Ceres Global rivalry because
It's nice.
it's a
rivalries
healthy rivalry.
build fan bases.
Yes.
And they build loyalties or disloyalties or whatever.
Yes. So I think, well, teka, since nandiyan na tayo, binabati na ba natin ang possibility of a
Of a
a
what?
second or third straight Loyola Global final? Kasi they face
Maybe it's
the
too early
PFF
to
Smart.
say.
They face in the League Cup final.
Mm.
That's Ceres. Parehong Ceres pananalo doon. But
Too
I
early
think
to
on
say,
paper,
parang alam mo yun,
but on paper, is this really
the outcome.
what people will expect?
I don't know. Kasi ngayon it's like Ceres beefed up their squad,
Mhm.
and then Global is slowly becoming more consistent.
Mhm.
And
Loyola,
and
parang-
Loyola pa parang it's like you
You
can't
don't know
discount
what's happening with
Loyola
their-
kasi you can't discount kasi nandun nga yung kapatid and other players also that are quite good, so you really can't you really can't discount anyone at that point, you know.
I mean, if the teams...
Even
The
Kaya.
other teams can
Kaya,
pull out a surprise.
Yeah, yun nga,
like Kaya, for example.
Ito lang, if
King of
Malang,
surprises.
Malang or Erko make some surprises in Group B.
Guluhin nila ang
Gulo pa standing.
Yes.
I mean, Group A is already a group of death because you have Kaya, Loyola, Laos, and the champion Ceres. While
Mas ang ganda ng group na yun.
yes, it's a group of death. But pero sa kabila, you have Global, you have Erko, you have Stallion, and Malang.
And
You can't discount eh.
Maganda rin naman ang Global and Stallion.
Yes.
Maglaban.
Well, in
Yes, yes.
recent history, I can't say for that.
But
But
during
yeah.
During the hate in
2012, 2013.
Oo, mainit yung laban yan.
Grabe.
Yun. Ano ba to? Cup ba yun? O,
Yeah, UFL Cup.
Basta cup.
And they
When
kept-
Stallion,
Stallion.
sila ang nag-beef up nung panahon na yun,
Oo.
diba?
Yeah, so you really can't discount eh. Kasi everyone's like, dati, siguro masasabi mo na, oh, may dalawang teams lang ang maglalaban dyan. Ngayon parang hindi mo na ano eh.
Which is good.
Ma-pinpoint, which is good. Which means na parang quality is around. And
It's brewing.
it's brewing. And, you know, it's always good to have
Yeah.
yung unpredictability.
Pero since you have the Smart Cup right now, do you
Wait.
think na
Sige ko.
na-feel niyo yung importance niya? Kasi, it was said during the press conference, Coach D already told me that the Smart Cup has no birth for AFC Cup. It was na-transfer ata sa UFL and another competition, the UFL Cup probably. Do you think that for the teams, there still plenty to fight to battle for, or will they use this tournament in preparation
the
for
waters?
To test the waters? Kasi take note, you have Ceres and Global
Correct.
who will be busy next month.
Next
They have
month,
the
definitely.
AFC Cup.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Definitely.
do you think na it's still healthy competition or petics competition?
No, feeling ko for the other teams who are not going to participate in other competitions, I think this would be a good avenue for them to see,
To
strategize, to see their setup. You know, masalo yung mga may bagong players kasi you want to see your team chemistry, how they work on a game day, 'di ba? Kasi iba pa rin yung seeing the team play on game day than just, you know, trying it out ano tawag doon? Scrimmage between themselves. So, you know, it's one of those things na pwede mo. But for those, nakakaawa din, no? Yung mga sasama dun sa mga may other tournaments.
Yeah.
Kasi,
It's gonna be
tiring. Anong squad ang ipapadala mo? Maglalaro ba sila dito?
Hmm.
You know, back-to-back games. I don't know kung paano
I think,
scheduling ito.
I think the scheduling medyo
Kasi kung
pressing din siya every other
Yeah.
day yung games mo eh.
Yeah. We're not even discounting the fact na some of the players will not be playing if they're called up to the national team.
Yes.
Because
Diba? Because I think this year is also
A busy year.
a busy year for the, if ever, the under-23 for the SEA Games. And
Under 22 pa.
under-22 and World Cup
World Cup
qualifiers.
qualifiers.
So, who said na 2015 is such a
Trabaho eh. JD, ikaw, what do you think?
Football
Which is it
year.
a worthy competition pa rin? Remember, we still have
I think naman.
it's still a national cup. Nandun pa rin yung wording na national cup eh. Is it, malaki pa rin bang bearing to? Kasi they're representing their local FAs as well eh.
Yeah.
Ako naman, kasi I may sound cheesy or what, but there's no big or small competition. If you really have to
Yeah.
field, you really have to play for it. You don't need to focus on just one app. Pababayaan natin to.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a problem.
Correct.
I've seen on other sports, some teams who downplays a certain competition because they want to focus on this one.
Correct.
Sometimes it doesn't pay well. I mean, it
Correct,
doesn't reward you well as a team. So, this is gonna be a good avenue now for the national sentiment. I hope
Yes,
talaga
yes.
mas maraming FAs pa ang maka-join.
Correct.
Mag-ladderized. I'm just glad may Mindanao, merong may Visayas.
May representation.
Then
Luzon.
medyo sa Northern Luzon sana
Yes.
nagkaroon din.
Oh,
Well,
sana
from Northern
wala.
Or
Luzon.
even Southern
Wala
Luzon
pa eh.
sana.
Yeah,
Laguna
sa-
FA, we're talking to you ah.
Laguna Hindi, gets nyo, di ba?
Yes.
That it could have been bigger,
Yeah.
but I think for the time constraint
Yeah.
din and nagkulang. But Honestly,
This is the 2014 edition actually.
but honestly, bakit Miss Universe naman sa
Oh,
Monday?
diba?
2014 Miss Universe.
2014, yeah.
Tip lang, pag magpa-parlor po kayo sa Monday, wag po.
Busy po lahat.
Mag-ingat
Kasi lahat ng mga parlorista. anyway.
Okay.
And it's a good opportunity.
So, okay, let's predict na lang.
Ay,
Let's
naku.
predict
Smart.
final lang, final and champion. Final team na maglalaban sa final.
Oh my God.
Do we have a
Oh my
consensus?
gosh.
Do we have that consensus?
We have the favorites for sure.
Yes, we have the favorites. No,
But
It's
there's always
gonna be the big four, but
Okay, let's have a unified answer lang. Are we
Okay.
going for a Ceres Global final? And will Global...
by paper, yes.
on paper kasi it's like
But
calling
I
out na
think
ganon.
Loyola can do some manggugulong Loyola.
Pwede.
I'm not
Actually,
discounting
totoo.
Loyola.
If there's
Ay,
if there's
even
a
kaya.
team, if there's
Kaya, yeah. I
if
won't
there's a
discount
team-
kaya, pero
yeah.
in the groupings kasi, odds and mukha talagang
Yeah.
global sa
Okay,
LS.
sige, one answer lang. Champions. One answer na lang.
Oh, I cannot say that. Maybe Ceres.
Ceres.
I'll go for global.
For Global. So guys, that's our just our
Ikaw,
prediction.
who's your bet?
Hirap eh. Turn
Come
ako
on.
eh.
I'll go for global because alam nyo na.
Ako, I think it's Ceres. I think they're on a roll. Momentum.
They might be on a roll, but
Yeah.
Global is hungry for this.
Let's see.
It's ang sakit eh. They were eliminated in the competition twice by the same team.
Yun na nga eh.
Yun yung
by
may stigma.
Ceres.
May stigma sila na ano na eh. They need
Ma-overcome
to
Overcome.
bounce back from that. Masakit na yung matalo dito on a quarterfinal. Masakit na matalo sa Bacolod on a final.
Well, same team.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ceres.
So, I think
So you're
Glo-
saying global then? Ikaw.
I'm going for Global.
Okay, two global, one Ceres. Okay.
Paano
Noted.
ba
Hindi,
pa-
dalawang series eh.
Ha? Dalawang Ceres.
Wala si Ceres eh.
Who's enjoying the sands of Boracay as we speak.
Hi, Ceres. Miss ka na namin. So,
Right.
Ceres, yung ID days ko nasan na.
okay, we're done with the Smart
Smart
Cup.
Yes.
Let's move on to, I think, ito na yung inaantay natin na liga. Ito yung liga natin eh. The United Football League.
Oh, wow.
It will about to kick off on February 7. It's
Feb
Sat-
7.
Feb 7.
Feb 7.
Feb 7. Matagal.
Yeah.
Lapit-lapit
Seven,
na to.
that's a Saturday.
Yes, that's a Saturday. I've heard na backup weekend games ng first div. So,
So, ano
guys,
kaya ang game sa February 14? Ang tanong, may players bang sisipot?
Ang tanong, baka may I'm absent sir because I have to do something.
Oo nga eh.
sige, well, we've talked about the transfers already, but anong gusto niyo mangyari pa sa UFL? I think, with the schedule alone, parang looks like weekend games, hindi na yung cramp up schedule na may game ka within after 2 weeks,
Tiring
may
yung,
game ka na...
for me tiring
Tiring yun.
yung thrice,
Magkasunod.
yung 3-round draw.
Oo.
Alam, bakit nga ba naging 3
Hindi,
times yun?
well,
I think that is-
9 teams lang dun eh.
So may mas
9
maraming
10 teams.
10 teams na.
Yeah.
So just 2?
Double round
na
robin.
na relegate for those who didn't know what happened last season. Global won the championship.
Yes.
Na relegate ang
Pasargad.
Pasargad. There was no playoffs this year, di ba?
Wala.
For the
Wala.
second.
Two teams
So,
went up.
and 2 teams went up. It's
Went up.
Ceres
Went up.
Lasal
And
FC
Jeepney.
and Manila Jeepney.
Yeah.
Masaya, well, the last league was already enjoyable.
Actually, it's very exciting.
Problema lang, I think for me the problem in last year's league was too many lopsided victories.
Oh, yung
Marami-rami.
9-0, 10-0, 12-0 yan.
Paramihan.
But I don't think that's gonna happen
That's not gonna happen this season.
this season. I think
Even in the second
yeah.
division, di ba? Ganun
Second
din ang
division,
mga
medyo-
results.
Medyo nagkaka...
There was
Okay, second division
There was a
nagkakagulo.
23-0, I think.
Wow! Dapat
Hindi,
kinakap na
League Cup
yan.
ata, it's another competition.
Yeah, but
May mga ganun pa rin.
23-0,
Oh my
di ba?
gosh,
Then
oo nga,
they're
oo
forced to stop the game in the
In the middle of the
nga,
match.
pinatigil na yun.
Pinatigil yun, Diyos ko.
Oh my God.
Pero
But
this-
aside from angat ng Ceres and Manila Jeepney and Global trying to defend their
Yeah.
title. Of course, you can't discount Kaya, Loyola,
Yes,
Archers.
you can.
Green Archers
Green
United.
Archers
Then,
Changa.
Pachanga.
Changa Diliman.
Hi, Coach.
Oh.
Anto.
Hi, Coach Anto.
Then, ano pa ba? I think I missed 3 teams. Stallion.
Stallion.
Then,
Stallion.
Ayun.
Manila GT.
Ah, of
Loyola.
course.
Green Archers.
Army, GTI.
Army GTI.
And what's the other team?
Ooh, Socceroo.
Socceroo.
Team Socceroo.
Socceroo.
Which I think would attract attract a number of
Marami na naman
followers
fans na
again. As,
Bakit?
just so you know, bumalik na si Daniel Matsunaga.
Ako, guys.
Oh.
So,
Yes, the female fans. Yes. That's for
This
you.
league.
so thinking of not watching Global versus Socceroo, think again.
Think again.
Pero may what's more...
We're free naman daw eh. Let's go watch.
Well,
UFL free.
hindi pa natin alam.
I'm
Hindi pa
sorry,
natin alam.
iba pala
Smart
yun.
Cup yun.
Smart Cup ang
pala
free.
yun. Ang UFL ay hindi natin alam.
I think
For
it's
now.
for the clubs. Kailangan na rin nilang magpalakas talaga because hindi lang league title yung pinaglalabanan ngayon eh.
Spot sa
The AFC Cup.
AFC Cup.
Yes, may incentive
May-
ng ganon.
Yeah.
So, you get to
if you-
play with other clubs from Asia.
Asia.
Wow.
Which will for the Philippine clubs magsa-start na this Feb. Ceres will play on Feb 17 in Maldives against Mazia.
Ang ganda naman.
Wow, bakasyon!
That-
Wait lang.
that-
Naalala ko biglang challenge ka.
That's that is a knockout game. We hope,
And most of them galing doon din, di ba?
Ah,
Shocks. Sabi nila, oh my
we
God,
hope
we're back
Ceres
here.
And I hope-
finally
Sana
makes it.
di sila makilala ng mga Maldives doon. Ganito mga taga-Maldives sa
Or they have a
kanila, di ba?
better experience at the airport.
Let's see what happens there. Then Feb 25, medyo
Yep.
yun ang mainit siya. It's Global versus South China FC of
Wow.
Hong Kong.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
the
Saan yun? Sa Hong Kong or?
here in Manila.
What?
They will
May
play.
home game?
Yeah, we will
May
have
home game,
the
wow!
first game of Global in the AFC Cup is a home game.
Nice!
So
wait, here Rizal or?
hindi ko pa alam
Kasi
eh.
nung last
Wala.
time, where
It was in
it?
Cebu.
It was Cebu.
And the
You were
President's Cup
there,
was held.
JD.
Oh,
You were
ikaw.
there.
I mean, hindi ako global fan nun. Just so you know.
Hindi rin ako. Just so you know.
Ba't kayo pumunta doon?
Ano lang?
Bakit?
to show our-
Subutson!
To show our support
For
the Philippine team.
Philippines
Philippine clubs, yeah. Di ba?
Our
Bakit?
representative.
There was a time nag-go
Yeah.
Loyola lahat. Even
Yeah.
all are not Loyola fans, di ba?
Yeah, to show
True.
support to the Philippine representative. We need the numbers in the stands, guys.
So, saan kaya to?
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Well,
Saan mo gusto? If you had the choice, where would you want it?
if it's available, why not? Let's go for Philippine Stadium. If it's available.
Wow, sa Bulacan.
Oh,
I mean,
Bulacan.
may hometown, Bukawi.
Bukawi pa lang.
Bukawi?
Bulakenyo. Pag may
Yes.
pag doon niya yung game, bahala JD sa accommodation namin. Mahirap
Wow.
umuwi doon.
Medyo malayo pa.
Medyo
Malayo,
maliit
malayo.
ang bahay namin
Di-
doon.
Di ba natin alam kung paano tayo
Oo.
babalik from there?
Well, kanya-kanyang
Box.
ano lang yan eh. Kayo ba?
Yes.
Sa inyo ba, you guys prefer Rizal? This will be played on a weekday.
A weekday.
Yes.
If it were
It's a night game.
If it weren't a weekday, I'd want sana Cebu because I think they have the best fans. I think.
Yeah, nakakamiss yung
Yeah.
fans ng Cebu.
Yung
Even
fans ng Cebu.
if it's
Yeah.
global or
Or
ASCA.
Ascals related.
Grabe.
Sigurado puno yan.
Pagod.
And siguradong
Amazing.
pagod ka na 90 minutes. Hindi ka uupo for sure. Masaya yung crowd.
Ikaw, JD.
Ako? I would have wanted naman sa Rizal. Because logistics-wise lang naman,
Yes.
Yeah.
may
Understand.
pasok ako nung araw na yon.
Correct.
Yes, I think if
So,
hotel
logistic-wise.
accommodations will also be a concern. Madali lang with Rizal kasi tatawid lang
Century.
sila eh.
Tawad ka lang.
Pwede na maglakad yung mga players
Sa Bukawi.
Yun nga lang,
Sa
nakakatakot.
PPS, anong hotel natin?
Hindi ko alam eh. Baka
Mimosa. Mimosa sa
Holiday
park.
Inn.
Holiday Inn!
Holiday Inn.
Holiday
Holiday Inn.
Medyo malayo ba yun? From
O naman,
Yun
pe.
naman.
Wow,
Pinakamalapit.
mga 1 hour
O
pa rin
naman,
yan.
pe.
Oh my God, malapit na
Malayo-layo
Pampanga
pa rin.
natin.
Malayo.
Bukawi,
Oh my
malapit-lapit pa
God.
sa Manila ang Clark.
Oh my gosh. Ano ba yung pinakamalapit
Aside from that,
na hotel dun?
continue pa rin tayo sa UFL, but we have to mention na we have a number of UAAP players na...
Correct.
Well,
UAAP.
college players.
Collegiate players.
Players.
Let's not forget those
Yeah.
collegiate players.
For the UAAP,
UAAP.
first round just ended, and I think everybody is... well, not all, but some are surprised with the standings. UP is ahead.
On top of the table.
We're talking about the men's, right?
The men's,
Men's
yes.
muna to.
Okay.
Followed by De La Salle University.
De La Salle University is second. Wow.
Wow.
Medyo
UP.
Yung ko nang batiin yung championship, matagal na eh. Then, third is Ateneo de Manila.
Mm-hmm. And then fourth,
Is Far Eastern University.
The current
Yeah, the defending champions,
Defending.
FEU.
current champions.
after one round.
Then, followed by, I think, National University at fifth.
Wow, NU
has been improving.
Has
Wow
a
naman kasi.
National University has a football team.
For this second season already.
Wow.
Then, University of Santo Tomas.
Yes.
Natalo kanina.
Wow.
Then, I think it's
Adamson.
Adamson and
Adamson.
UE.
And UE.
I'm not sure kung Adamson
And
or
then,
UE.
but
Ganun din. It's but what is interesting with the UAP men's competition is top 4 crossovers, 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3 semis, 1 off game. Wala nang twice to beat.
Yun.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
It's now
And
or
I think-
never. It's
And,
now or never.
And I heard, hindi ko sure kung final na, the venue for the knockout stages will be in Rizal Memorial Stadium.
Which it should be. Which should be.
Lasalians, home game yun. Pag
Tatanggap
may game
po.
tayo.
Nasa likod lang yun eh.
Oh. Yeah, and then NCAA on their way pa rin. San Beda are still leading the pack as Hi Coach Aris of San Beda. And
But for the juniors,
may champion na.
someone, a
It was
school, a certain school reclaimed the crown.
Yes.
Wow. Who's in
After nabali ang kanilang 13th peat, 14th
Yes.
peat,
Last year.
nth peat.
Yes.
And
So congrats to LaSalle Green Hills for winning the title.
wow.
Juniors title in the NCAA. The seniors still underway. I think may games in tomorrow morning before the PFF Smart.
Mhm.
What do you think the impact of the collegiate level na may katuloy na silang UFL?
UFL. Yeah.
May
Yes, it's actually good.
It's a good at least alam nila na after when they finish school, they
have
know
a
na
choice.
they have a
They can
choice.
pursue it.
They can pursue it. They have a league.
I think 2-3 players are already a product of the UAP na
Yes. You have Patrick Tato.
Yes.
You have
Manny.
Amani.
Paulo
and
Bugas,
Paulo Bugas.
Yeah.
Arnel Amir. Ang dami pang players.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to watch the college football as well, hindi lang volleyball at basketball ang UAAP. Mark my word. Masaya. Masaya.
Masaya rin ang football.
But
Masaya rin ang chess.
But let's save the last topic for today regarding for the UFL. We have the new kids on the block. And they have been setting the mark aside from global.
Are we talking about Ceres?
Yes, yes, Ceres.
Uh-huh.
We talked about earlier that they have been improved a lot in a span of 2 years. Ang laki na ng pinagbago, ang lakas still.
I think then malaki rin yung impact nila because I think they were very aggressive with pursuing players that are big names
Yeah.
and quality players. Talagang, what is this
Parang
team
ano nga
doing?
eh, parang Florentino Perez
Hoarding.
of Real Madrid of the of the
Fantasy manager.
of
Fantasy
the
lang eh.
Philippines eh. Or sige, Manchester City na rin or Chelsea
Ah,
at Paris Saint-Germain all rolled in one.
yeah.
Monaco rin.
More.
Ano ko eh.
I mean, if there's a team na can match yung spending, I guess.
Yeah, the spending of
Yeah.
Global. I think Global set the precedent for getting
Yeah.
big name players. But now they have
Loyola. At least.
Loyola.
Attempted.
Attempted, yeah.
But Global set the mark
yeah.
early on. Now they have I think they are shifting of developing players as well.
But Loyola has a title, diba?
Yes, they have
Yes,
one
cup.
title.
Yeah.
Yung cup.
At least
Cup.
it
The
paid
cup,
off.
Yeah.
For the past, since 2011, let's go back naman to the,
The regionals.
Global had won several titles.
UFL
Yes,
Cup,
UFL, marami rin.
UFL Cup,
They
National,
had league.
League.
the league twice. Won the league
League.
twice. Yeah, the Charity Cup,
Top. Oh,
the Smart Cup.
tama.
the second division.
Yeah.
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 So, marami.
Marami rin.
Loyola.
Loyola,
Won.
this is the first UFL Cup in 2020.
Stallion had also won.
Yes.
Yeah, they have two.
Ay, two pala. Sorry.
One UFL Cup and one
Yeah.
league.
Yeah. That was when
They
Rufo
had
was
double.
still in.
Yeah, they had
Yeah,
the
the
double,
double.
They
diba?
had a double. That was when Rufo and
Wako.
That's-
Wako were still in.
Which
Stallion.
go back a few years more. Air Force was the original.
Air
the
Force.
original league champions.
Yeah, the original league champions. They won 2 league champions. They won the UFL Cup
Correct.
twice also. They lost one against Global. But their last title, the UFL Cup, came as a wow factor for everyone because they defeated the Loyola Meralco Sparks that
Oh
time.
yeah, I remember that game.
Yeah. That game.
Yeah, that was-
See,
Oh, wow.
Then you also
That's Ayan and
Wait, sa
Yankee.
Makati ba to?
No, that was in Rizal.
Rizal.
Ah,
That
nga
is our
pala,
game.
nga
Remember
pala,
that game
correct,
against
correct.
Rizal?
Yung championship. Ano?
Yeah, this championship team.
Ibang game yun.
Ibang game.
Nakakatakot yun
Ibang
Loyola
game.
versus Air
naisip
Force.
ko, iba yun,
Oo.
iba yun, yung naisip
Sa
ko
UMAC, iba yun, ibang game yun.
Ibang game yun.
Pero Loyola Global din yun eh.
Yeah.
Eh,
No,
Loyola Air
Loyola
Force.
Air
Air
Force.
Force.
Then
Ibang
may
game
game
yun.
of global after.
Oo.
Yes.
Eh, at
Army
least
also had
well, national titles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, if you're forgetting Kaya,
Yeah, Kaya as well.
Yun nga, Kaya also had
Pasargad as well.
Sargad.
UFL champions from way back.
way back,
Way
yes.
Right now we have, but right now let's focus on the
new
meron
kids on
ngayon
the
eh.
block?
Kasi yeah, the new kids of the block. We discussed earlier that Ceres and Global are growing to be a rivalry
Ooh,
that everybody will enjoy.
Yeah.
and-
So,
I think
May existing rivalries na ba?
meron na naman eh. The top, the original top 4, you have Global, Kaya,
Kaya,
Loyola,
Global
Stallion.
Kaya,
Stallion.
yes.
Ayun. And baka nga mag Big 5 or Big 4 pa rin, may magpapalitan. Now with Ceres is on board.
Ooh. Oo nga.
I think some games to watch are even in the Smart Cup, the Loyola Ceres game on Saturday.
Yes.
The Loyola
Ooh,
Kaya
that
natapos
sounds
na.
very, very tempting.
Loyola Kaya on Monday.
Monday na. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Can Ceres be the league champions? Ibang usapan na to eh.
Kaya.
This is a
Wait,
knockout
teka.
competition.
Gano'n ba kahaba ang league ngayong
I think
to?
it'll last until August, I think.
August.
Plus, hindi lang league ang meron. May UFL
May
Cup
UFL
pa
Cup.
na
Na magkasunod.
Wait,
kasabay.
Kaalim-sabay.
oo,
Wow.
kasabay na
Ay, naku, yan.
magtatakbo.
It's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be
Hindi
crazy.
ko alam kung paano ang scheduling ng mga players dito sa
And-
UFL Cup and UFL.
And kung
Ang
ordinary
gulo-gulo
fan ka lang na you're just following
baka
one
maguluhan
club,
ka.
maguguluhan ka. Oh,
Ano
di ba
nangyari?
nanalo kami? Oh, di ba? So they really have to
Exactly.
set that. But
I think it will be
Yeah.
exciting. We have a lot of football.
Football
Football is
does it
life.
really have to be sabay? Pwede namang unahin yung cup or something. Ang gulo,
I think kasi they're just emulating the format used abroad. Kasi sa
Which is,
England, magkasabay ang FA Cup
yeah.
tsaka League.
Yeah.
And
Germany.
usually, Germany, even
Germany.
Spain, even in Thailand,
Well,
and Singapore.
Singapore, yes.
So, good. It's good that we are following what other countries are doing.
Wait, are we aligned with the ASEAN calendar?
Yes, we
di
are.
ba?
Not
So,
just ASEAN. I think we are.
FIFA, are we
FIFA.
now
No,
aligning
the
to the
Asian calendar.
Asian.
Asian calendar.
AFC
AFC
calendar.
wala pa
calendar.
dyan yung FIFA calendar dates.
Antayin natin, but
Yan,
as
kasi,
for-
speaking of, what are there any friendlies coming up?
yes, we will face China this March.
But it's an away game.
away game.
So, we're back on our TV sets, right? May mga chismis ba na other friendlies so far?
Wala pa. Wala pa eh.
But the China game would be nice. Ano
Yes.
bang rank mo ngayon ng China?
Hindi, it's nothing about rankings. Isipin na lang, they just lost in the Asian Cup quarterfinals against
Correct.
Australia.
Yeah.
That's already
That's a
a
big step.
big step for us.
Yeah, it is a big step.
Big step.
Na-imagine mo na, Australia is ranked 100.
Yes.
And
At saka ano yun eh.
that would be 29
Tsaka,
spots higher
remember,
than us.
guys, remember AFF ng Australia.
Oo.
Oh, shoot. Oh my God.
So,
Is
yes,
there may possibility to be in Suzuki Cup? Oh, well, this was an issue before this last year's
Yes.
Suzuki Cup. Nagkaroon nga ng konting debate online na, no, they're not in. Yes,
Yes,
they're
they're
in. No,
will they
they're
be
not
or
in.
will they not?
Should they or shouldn't they be in the Suzuki Cup, guys?
Yeah. But that's another story to
Yeah.
tell.
Let's put that in another episode.
And I think we ran out of time. Kinabahan na yata kami. we'll just wrap it up.
Yeah.
It's thank you for guys for listening.
But basically,
Yeah.
we have to follow this local leagues that we have.
Yeah.
Yes.
Support the UFL, support the smart,
local
support your
leagues,
clubs.
guys.
Yeah, if
Support-
you have league favorite or local
or
club
kung wala
favorite.
pa kayong club favorite,
Maghanap na
time to
kayo
look
ng-
Oh,
player.
this is the good.
Maghanap. This is the best time to look for one.
Yes.
For your
Like
team. For
me,
your
I'm clubless.
Oh.
I'm clubless.
Ganyan kayo ah.
Ayan.
Sige, let's finish. Well, tapos na kami. Thank you guys for listening. It's been a
Thanks,
wonderful
guys.
episode. Hindi ko alam kung
And
umabot
we
ba
thought
tayo.
2015 would be a slow year for us.
Hindi pala eh.
Kasi
Hindi
naman
na-expect this.
iba naman ang gusto ng tinitignan ng taon eh.
Oh.
December 2016 eh.
Oh,
Oo.
yeah. Yes.
But now, masaya.
Could you imagine next year's another Suzuki Cup year?
Ano ba? Nangyari ba yung last year?
Nangyari
akong-
ba yung last year? Parang hindi ko maalala.
Wala eh. Parang huminto ako after Indonesia game.
Tama na. Tama na't may iiyak dito, hindi oras.
So, we're signing out.
We're signing out. This is
Yan.
Iko.
This is JD.
And this is
Goodbye. Football
Football Talk!